Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Police Confront Drunk Teen Brutally Attacking Disabled Woman. That's crazy. How low can you be? I ain't gonna lie. That's insane. Let's get into it, man. Let's see what they talking about.
This drunk teen was caught choking, punching, and dragging this disabled elderly woman by her hair.
Get on the ground, turn around. All right, what happened?
I wish if I could bring the doctor to see me.
You want an ambulance?
Not take me to the hospital just to check, but no, he's okay.
Okay.
He's okay. He hit me right here.
So you were just sitting right here?
I was here, sit down, and he come tried to speak. I thought his young kid wanted to speak or something. Mm-hmm. So he tried to pull me out and hit me just like that.
Just started punching you for no reason?
I don't know. In speeding, I mean. I don't know.
And he spit in your face?
Spit, yeah.
And just started...
Not my face, but he spitting out, yeah.
And he just started punching you for no reason?
Yeah, just like
so
that.
So what was going on over here? Those are his clothes?
He pulled me all the way from there.
He pulled you?
Yeah, he holding my head, everything. He's holding me head, I swear. My hair everywhere. He hit me right here. Not this one.
That's disgusting, bro.
Yeah, I see it.
He scares me, I swear. He is a young kid. Yeah, he looks nice kid. I don't know what's happened to him. Maybe he's in drug or something. I don't know what to say. He was nice kid, yeah. I mean, you know, I thought he was a nice kid.
All right, so he punched you?
Pump. I mean, didn't hold on me.
And then grabbed you by the hair.
He doesn't want to stop,
And drug you over here?
All the way there, yes.
And so what was he doing when you saw me pull up, right? And I was like, did he hit you? And he started running? What was he? Was he trying to? What was he doing?
I'm not sure.
Because he was like low on the ground, right? He was like laying next to you.
Yes, he tried to come near. I said, no, you gotta go. And then he doesn't like it. I don't know. He doesn't like me to sit. I don't know. I swear. I don't know why.
Okay. Are those his clothes?
Just, yeah, he pulled me all the way there, and I hold and then his slipper. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I wanna get him more because he's a young kid. I don't know. When I was shaking, I cannot do it. I don't have that force to do nothing.
And you want to press charges?
I don't know. Yes.
Okay.
The police gave me something.
Yeah.
But how I do this?
Oh, that's nothing. That's just because you're a victim. It's just some phone numbers and stuff if you need it.
Yeah, he left his hat there. It's some other kids too. Today I don't see who did it, but they come and pull those cars. They put them under the car and pull everything there.
His friends?
No, that's only it.
All right, so it's just punching, right?
Yeah,
he didn't he didn't take nothing?
No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't take nothing.
Okay.
He tried to come after my stuff.
Did the other officer get your name and all that?
Yeah.
He's got it? Mm-hmm. What's your first name?
Shahida.
Shahida? And your last name? All right, well, he's going to go to jail. So.
Oh, you have
Yeah, I have him. Mm-hmm. Yeah. He's going to go to jail.
What he said, why he did it.
He said that you hit him first.
Oh, no, he came to me.
He's saying that you punched him.
Yeah, I tried to pull him. Leave me alone. He's come to me, I swear. I said, leave me alone. That's it. No, I thought he's talking. He want to talk or something. Mm-hmm. I don't know what he want. A young kid, I said, leave me, okay, what do you want? You know, well, from nowhere he came. And then he tried to grab me here.
Come on, what kind of BS story is that, man? He talking about she hit him first? What she do, roll up on the wheelchair? Come on, man. She is definitely the victim, and he is definitely the abuser, like 100%, like
this.
Yeah.
And I said, no, that's it. You go. You know, I'm disabled. Go.
Did you?
He said, I'm disabled.
Did you lose breathing when he did that?
Well, he
were you seeing stars or?
No, not like that.
You could breathe?
Yes.
Okay.
But he did hold me here. Yeah, he pulled me against the wall.
Let me see if there's any more.
Yeah, I don't know. No, maybe not. He's tough kids.
Was he was by himself?
Yes.
Okay. All right, Shahida. If I need anything, I'll come back.
Yes, thank you.
You know, so you get any more pain or anything, you know, the number, it's 911.
Here is hurt. But that'll be okay.
Okay.
You know about the time, yeah.
Right. All right, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry that happened to you.
What a scumbag. Scumbag.
What I do? You fucked me, I ain't do shit. I ain't do shit. What did I do? How did I get off?
Back up.
Real piece
I
of
ain't do
crap,
shit,
man.
Bro. He was fucking me up. He was fucking with me the whole time.
What was going on back there?
What'd you say?
What was going on back there with that lady?
I ain't gonna talk about without a lawyer.
Oh, okay, it makes my job easier.
Make my job easier.
Up it.
How am I supposed to help out without a lawyer?
Roll on your side.
How am I?
Go onto your knees.
I'm not trying to cooperate with you.
Alright, sit up.
But I'm just saying, like, she was fucking me to the ground. I don't want to fight with nobody. Dude, I don't want to fuck with nobody. I don't like this at all.
Hey, whoever's that pulling in, go and talk to that transient woman on the corner right there.
She fucking dipped. I don't know where the fuck she went.
She's gonna be...
See, now this is how a bystander is supposed to act. You see this guy right here? This is how he's supposed to act. Don't say nothing. Zip it up. We don't need your commentary. Just, if you're gonna film, film. You know, stand a decent amount away, you know, and just film. But don't say nothing.
The victim. You got anything on you?
No, sir, you can check me. Obviously, you can check me, you know that. I don't like this at all, bro. I got money on me, that's all.
Where at?
In my back right pocket.
Just money? Why you got blood all over you?
Look at my knuckles.
You guys friends or what?
Look at my knuckles, dude.
What's that from?
Huh?
What's that from?
What's what from?
The
My knuckles?
Yeah.
Being bashed around on the ground, dude.
From what?
Falling. You know you've been on me the whole ground.
So why are you running?
Because I've been chased by a fucking homeless lady. I don't like that shit. That's scary as fuck.
She's on a wheelchair, so you can't chase her.
The fuck? She ain't been chasing me.
That's it.
Hey,
Real piece of crap, man.
You have no idea what's going on.
I mean,
So why are you running from the cops?
Because I'm scared, dude.
You're scared, why?
I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
Because I'm in fucking downtown Sarasota at whatever fucking time of night it is. I mean, shit, I don't want to be down here. I mean, I feel like what I'm...
So what was going on with the lady over there?
What lady?
The lady on the corner right there at Whole Foods.
What is Whole Foods?
So you have no idea even where you are. That's how drunk you are? You have no idea what's going on right now? Can you what?
Back out. I want to spit.
You think you call the shots here?
No, I don't know what I do or not.
Alright, put your feet in.
Alright, well, dude, fuck.
What's your name, bud?
Caleb. Dude, I don't know if I'm being a lesser right now. If I'm being...
Holland?
Yes, sir.
What's your date of birth?
Fuck, dude, my fucking chin's hurt.
You need an ambulance?
No, sir, I can't afford it. You just...
What's your address?
North Venice, like almost, I don't know which one to call it.
It's okay.
Dude,
What's your phone number, buddy?
Dang. Are y'all realizing like the audio and the video ain't lining up? Damn, what's going on with these body cams, man? Y'all. I don't think it's not Bodycam Files' fault because they got it. You know, they probably got it from somewhere else. You know, they put in that FOIA request or whatever. But what's going on with the delay of the software of the body cam, the equipment? Why isn't the audio lined up with the video?
That for one?
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say
after you just read me everything, after you just asked me all those questions, now you're going to me mail.
I asked you your name. I can ask
now
you.
you're telling me all this shit.
You want to listen?
Yeah, I'm going to fucking listen.
You have the right to remain silent. Everything's right in mind. You wish to talk.
I mean, I've been talking this whole time before this, so
That's perfectly fine.
no, sir. But
So
like,
you don't?
I mean,
So you don't want to tell me what happened?
I mean, I've been talking this whole time.
You ran from the cops for a reason. What are you running
I
for?
don't.
I want to answer
I'm stopping right now to talk to you.
Okay.
To talk to
All right, put your feet
a
in.
lawyer.
Put your
Thank
feet in.
you.
We'll go to jail soon.
Fucking asshole.
He was charged with elderly abuse, resisting an officer, and disorderly intoxication.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.